Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to make a watercolor painting by using these watercolor cakes from Doms. So let's start. Today I am going to paint a bird sitting on the branch. Dip the painting brush in water and just take a red color and start painting with me. Okay, first of all, I am going to make the outer structure of the bird with the help of color. Okay, now take up some yellow color and start making the beak of the bird. Now just color the beak with yellow color. Okay. Now again take up some red color and make a circle to draw the eye. This is the eye. Now let's start coloring the bird, painting the bird with red color. Okay, so the main body of bird is ready. Now draw the feathers. Make the feathers with painting color. Okay. Again in the same way, we'll paint this with red color. Now take up some yellow color and make colorful feathers. Okay, and do the yellow color inside. How beautiful it's looking, right? Okay, now take up some sky blue color to make feathers more beautiful, more colorful. And complete them. Okay, now in the same way here, complete the feathers. and fill them with blue color now. Now take up some brown color and make an eye of the bird. Okay. Just fill it up with brown color. Okay. Now take up some black color and do it inside the eye. Now I have taken some orange color to do some shading inside the eye. Light. We have to just give an effect of orange color. We don't have to color it properly. Just take up some little amount of color and mix it with water and just give that effect, and you are done. Okay, now I'm going to make the branch on which our cute little bird is sitting. For that, again I'm going to take some brown color and make the branch. Okay. Oh, wow, this is a cute little branch, and here also we are going to do some brown color in the branch. How beautiful it's looking. Okay, now I have taken up some dark green color and make a beautiful leaf here. Wow, just look at the leaf. And take up light green color to fill inside the leaf. Okay, so this is the leaf. Our painting is almost done. Now I'm going to do the outline of our cute bird with a dark magenta color. Take up that magenta color and start doing the outline of the bird. Okay, so outline is done. Now I'm going to do some shading with white color to make bird more attractive and realistic. And some orange color in the beak. Do the shading only. Wow. So our cute bird painting is complete. Just add some more effect to it. I'm going to take this flat brush and take up some orange color. Take up some yellow color and give some yellow shading around the bird to give it a more brighter and attractive look. So final look we have to give to our painting. How nice. While making a watercolor painting, you have to take some points in your mind that you have to keep your hands still and firm while doing the painting. Okay, and take a little amount of color while you are painting. Don't take up too much color, so it can be that difficult for you to create some shadings or more color effects if you take up very much color at the one time. So this is our cute bird painting with watercolors. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.